I like this. So it's Friday, October 7th, and it's beautiful outside. It's very beautiful outside. It's my day off, and I'm on my way to take myself on a date, because why not? I'm gonna go to Lemongrass Grill downtown Brooklyn and get some Thai food. I've been to that place in years, but I've been there before on a couple dates. So now I'm taking myself on a date. I think today would be, oh, they jerking too. I think today gonna be one of the last few nice days of the year, so why waste it, right? It's so cute. Now we here.
Have you got a reservation?
No.
Don't worry. Would you like inside or outside?
Outside.
You want lemonade?
I want a lemonade right now. Yeah. The lemonade is really good. Not too sweet.
Yes, can I get for you, ma'am?
I don't see this on the menu, but
Actually, the lamb is not spicy, but
Okay,
it's
so-
come with the spicy salt on the side.
yeah, on the side is fine.
Yeah.
What side orders do you have? You have like avocado or something?
No, you have to order separately.
Yeah. I'll get it separately.
But I'm not sure. Let me check in the kitchen for avocado.
Okay, no problem. What day you got? So they don't have no avocado. I know I came to a Thai restaurant, but damn. I also avocado, some pants, and something. It's a steamed vegetables. I don't know how they steamed vegetables do. I ordered. What I ordered again? The rack of lamb. This is what it looks like. Hopefully it looks like this. My nail looks crazy. Yeah, this is what it looks like. I never had lamb, so I'm like, let me try it. I mean, I had pork chops and something, whatever else, but like, I never had lamb. So yeah, I ordered the rack of lamb. Damn, that shit $30. Oh my god, that shit's $30. I didn't even realize that shit's $30. Damn. Oh, he's so cute. I really feel like I'm on a date now. By myself, but this place is cute. It's cute for date nights. It's really cute for date nights and stuff. I came here twice on dates. Like years ago though. It's been like a minute since I came here. Yeah, I'm gonna try this lamb now. It's tender. Okay, these are the cuts. So let me taste this. Okay. I like how they decorated and everything. It's so cute. Maybe not want to eat it. Yeah, I don't think I've ever had this before. I don't taste familiar at all. I'm not used to this. I'm not going to be friends no more. I need to cut this up. But I'm glad I came out today and treat myself like a self because I deserve it. Because I was like, today it was like in the 70s, and I don't know what we're going to weather again. It's rice. This tastes like, this tastes and look like basmati rice. Y'all ever had basmati rice before? eating food out of separate plates. Like, I'm Jamaican, we don't do this. We have everything in one plate. Like right now, I'm struggling. The meat in one plate, the food in one plate, the rice in one plate. Yeah, we don't do that. But I'm really enjoying this lamb. I'm enjoying this. Oh, I've had lamb before, but it was nasty. We got lamb over rice. That was not it. That was years ago. I didn't like it. But I told myself I was going to try it again. But I didn't think about it being this soon because I didn't think about this place. I didn't know that they had it. But I'm glad. Ooh, broccoli. So it's 7:49. I want to leave here around 8:30ish. So I'm trying to decide, do I want more lemonade or should I order some wine to make this day complete? Even though I have wine in my fridge. But this whole ambiance and everything is so cute. Just mellow. I'm gonna eat this food and come back on the back to leave. Oh, I might order another drink, so yeah. So this is a cocktail menu. And I'm gonna get the Zodiac. I think I'm saying it right. Zodiac. Yeah, that. I'm very full. So I'm done with my food. I'm gonna take this to go. And I order a drink. So I'm just waiting for my drink. And by 8:30 I'm out of here. My drinky drink is here. My barasta. What's it called? My barasta rum. What is it called? But it's here. My nails are crazy loud. Don't worry about that. What is this? This should look like an eyeball. I like this. These girls over here having a whole topic about toxic friendships and friendships in general. Boy, that's a topic right there. That was a topic that I would definitely have a girl chat about. That's good. This drink is good though. What's that name? Basarakam. Whatever. It's good. I like it. Got the bill and I'm just waiting. Go ahead and come collect this so I can leave. It is now 8:27. So perfect timing. That's money. This drink is good though. I'm trying to finish it because I paid for it. $16. That's a whole Uber ride right there. I need to finish this drink.